got one of the torque boxes pretty much welded up over here on the Fairmont tonight. You know, I got a lot of cleaning to do because that's the main thing. We got to get these things clean so he can weld them up. But let me show you what he done. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's going to hold, that's for sure. Right, here we go. So we stitched here, crossed here. We got this, and then we got it crossed here, and then up through here. So it doesn't look really good because it wasn't very clean. So I'm going to clean it up a lot better, and then we'll get it, and then we'll fix it right up. Yeah, buddy. So we just got this one done for tonight, and we got a lot more to do. So I got a lot more cleaning and stuff around here. My wife's car has been in here, so I haven't really done much cleaning in that, but we'll get her done. We don't want to get spots all over that and make it ugly, do we? We want to keep her pretty. So, all right, let me get in and I'll talk with you guys. Well, I have to say we had a busy day today, but it was a good day. Anyhow, so we did some welding on the one torque box. I got a lot of cleaning to do on the other ones because the big thing is getting those really clean. I'm not a welder. I don't know much about welding. So he come over and did the one. We got it hooked up and everything. And we're good to go, man. I just got to get the rest of them cleaned up and get her done. We have to put the wife's cars in storage so I can work on the Fairmont more because it's what's happening. I don't want to be working on there and grinding and wire brushing and everything else with her car sitting there and get everything all over it. So she'd have a fit. Probably choke me to death or something like that. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate each and every one. Thanks for watching my videos today. You guys are awesome, man, because without you, there's no reason for me to make these videos. Have a good rest of your weekend or whatever time it is you watch this video. Just have a good one.